cool roll cage disconnects so that the motor is not trapped in the frame. And this side was nice. I did just a long sweep bend down here to the mounting plate on the front of the motor. And then this side, I had to get behind where the radiator is and clear the alternator and clear the exhaust manifold, and then come down and turn over here to clear the dipstick, and then get back to the mounting plate. I'm gonna give up one mounting bolt here and turn 90 so that I don't give up the bottom one. And then speaking of the radiator, this is the radiator. This is its stock, oops, sorry. This is the stock mounting points. But all the ports are on the left side, the port side. And the motor, water pump, and in and out are all over on the starboard side. So I'm not going to use the stock mounting points. I'm going to mount this upside down. This is hard to do with one hand. Mount this upside down, and something like that. I keep forgetting to film. And then I can connect these two pipes right here. I don't know how I'm going to connect this to there, going right through the alternator. I'll probably just have to go under it. Hopefully I can get a hose through here, maybe. Or I don't want to go outside the fan belt. Hopefully it'll fit in here. I don't know. I have to get a shorter belt because I have to put this alternator all the way back, and actually I'm gonna go back even further so that I have room for the radiator. I'm working on the radiator right now, but I noticed on this that with the clutch off, it really highlights the look of the subframe to reinforce the main frame, kind of create a cradle to take place of that stressed member. Nobody will ever see this, but I thought it was pretty. So this radiator is going to work pretty good upside down, except I need this fitting to go straight out, and I need to block this one off. This one's fine. So my plan is to cut this right at the 45 and then turn that 90 degrees, and hopefully it'll just make a jog up and toward the inlet on the bike. I'm not very good at aluminum welding, so I'm doing some practice runs with the same thickness material. So lap weld. And I don't know, I did 3 now. I feel like I can stick it together. Maybe I should do some more. Well, it was looking pretty good there, and then I blew through there, and overall I don't think it's terrible. It's gonna work. It's gonna be waterproof, so I'm going with it. That'll work. I do want to know the difference in weight between these two motors. I had assumed that the diesel is going to be way heavier, but this is quite a bit of metal here. Although it is aluminum and magnesium. I'm going to weigh them. I'm going to weigh them both. I'm going to have to take that out, but I have to take it out anyway. And it is 198.5 pounds. And the diesel with transmission and subframe, because it's now part of the engine, or stress member, or was part of the engine, 217 pounds. So yeah, it's heavier.